Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enter a promo code on Booking.com. If you've received a coupon code and want to apply it to your account for future bookings, this process will walk you through adding it to your wallet, so the credit is ready to use whenever you book your next trip. First, open your browser and head over to www.booking.com. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Sign In. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, so go ahead and type in your email and password, then click Continue to access your account. This step ensures you're logged into the right profile where your wallet and credits are stored. After signing in, click on your profile avatar in the top right corner. This will open up a drop-down menu with several account options. From this menu, select Rewards and Wallet. This section is where Booking.com stores any credits, rewards, or promotional codes you've earned or added, making it easy to track what's available for your next booking. Once you're in the Rewards and Wallet section, look for a link or button that says Got a Coupon Code and click on it. This will take you to the area where you can input promotional codes. You'll see an option labeled Add Coupon into Wallet. Click this to open the entry field where you'll type in your code. Now carefully type your coupon code exactly as you received it. Promo codes are case sensitive, so make sure you're entering it precisely, including any hyphens or capital letters. After typing it in, click Add to submit the code. Booking.com will take a few moments to verify the coupon and apply it to your account, so just wait while the system processes it. Once the verification is complete, check your wallet balance to confirm that the credit has been successfully added. You should see the new amount reflected in your wallet, ready to be used on eligible bookings. The great thing about this system is that your wallet credit will automatically apply during checkout when you make a qualifying reservation, so you don't have to worry about manually entering it again. And that's it. You've successfully added your promo code to Booking.com. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.